What's up, you guys? It's Coach Ben with Give and Grow here with another Give and Grow breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to this channel or new to these videos, welcome. It's great to have you here. This is where we combine the power of music with the power of our breath. Something so simple but so powerful. And when we combine these two things, music and our breath, they really bring so many benefits to our mind, to our body, to our ability to manage our emotions. Truly so many benefits, all backed by science, which makes it extra cool. Today's focus of our breath work is kindness. We're going to be breathing in kindness. We're going to be spreading kindness to ourselves and the people that we love. In through the nose, out through the mouth. If you're new to breath work, just follow along. I'll say in, I'll say out, and we'll do it to the rhythm of music to make it really easy. So the song that I have for you guys today is by the Black Eyed Peas and Snoop Dogg. All right, we got Be Nice, okay? Nice and kind go hand in hand, right? Being kind to ourselves, being kind to one another. Let's get into it. Listen along to the lyrics so that you can really drop into this mindset of kindness. This song is definitely meant to get up and move our body, so feel free to dance along. Respect your space, especially if you have people around you, but move your body. That's another way that we can help release emotions, stress, nervousness, anxiousness by moving our bodies, by dancing it out. So let's grow. I invite you to close your eyes if that's safe where you're at. Go ahead and breathe out. In. Out through your mouth. In through your nose. Out.
I just want to be happy. I don't want to feel nasty. I'm trying to turn my vibration around so I can feel fantastic. I'm talking to myself in the mirror. I'm telling me to cheer up. Everyone around got tears of a clown and it's so cold like Siberia. But I want negative energy. If you get what you give me positivity. Give it to me.
Out.
Be different.
In with kindness. Out.
Just smile. I promise it'll change your life.
Out.
Be different.
In.
Be nice.
Out.
Just smile. I promise it'll change your life.
Out.
Be nice. Be nice.
In.
Be nice. Be nice.
Out.
The love you give is the love you get.
In.
So be nice and change your life.
Out. Spread that kindness to yourself. In.
Be nice.
Out. In with more kindness. Out.
I got a new direction. I ain't got no time
Moving
for
your
stressing.
body.
I don't
Out.
wanna carry no bad vibration. I don't wanna be in depression.
Out.
I just wanna be cool, live my life
In.
without the problems.
Out with the
Everybody tryna bring me down
stress.
to the ground, but I ain't
In
living life
with the
from bottom.
kindness.
'Cause I
Out.
do not want negative
In.
energy. If you
Out
get
with the
what
negative
you
energy.
give me
In with the
positivity. Give it to me.
Out.
Be different.
In.
Be nice.
Out.
Just smile. I promise
In.
it'll change your life.
Out.
Be different.
In.
Be nice.
Out.
Just smile. I promise it'll change your life.
Out. Shake out the negative energy. In.
Be nice.
Out. Shake it out.
It's the love you
In.
get. So be nice and change your life.
Out. In.
Be nice.
Out through your mouth. In. Fill your belly. Out. In.
Be nice.
Out. In.
Be nice.
Out.
If we all could just find a way to fly away to slip into a brighter day.
Out.
One step so deaf, so right, go left and do it to 'em right away.
Out.
I'm talking to all of my leaders. We should just powwow when all of us meet up
Out.
and fight for each other, not one another. And when we talk, be nice to each other.
Out.
Be cordial, be glad, be happy, not sad. Stay in your bag, and all of my bangers
Out.
that bang with they flag. Whether crip or blood, be good to each other, be good to each other. En la raza, mi casa, su casa. On and on, love that we give and keeps rolling on, rolling on.
Out.
Be different.
In. Be nice. Out.
Just smile. I promise it'll change your life.
With a smile. Out.
Be different.
In. Breathe in that smile. Out.
Just smile. I promise it'll change your life.
ahead and breathe all the way in. Fill up your belly, fill up your chest. Hold your breath when you're all the way full. One more sip of air through your mouth. Hold your breath. Feel your body. Notice how you feel. You might feel tingles. You might feel vibrations. You might feel hot or cold. Just feeling your body as a powerful way for us to get present. When we're present here and now, we can choose to be kind. So using your imagination here, imagine somebody that could use some kindness. Maybe it's a friend, a family member, and just imagine showing that person kindness. Whatever way that looks for you, being kind to that person. Whenever you want, you can let go of your breath hold, or you can keep holding. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in to another breathwork. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe. Let us know how you're feeling in the comments. And if you didn't, if that threw you off a little bit, let us know too. We want to hear from you. We want to connect with you. All right. But I hope this helped bring you closer to feeling kind, being kind, or being inspired to be kind to the people that are around you, whether they're friends, whether they're haters. Everybody could use a little bit of kindness. So you already know it's time to grow. We'll see you in the next video.